Okay, let's go to Disneyland. Hey guys, it's Minori, and this is my husband Yoshi. We recently got a Disney camper van, so we decided to go to Disneyland for our very first trip. Let me show you what it's like and take you along on our journey. But before we go to Disneyland, we decided to go take a bath first. Yuraku no Sato? Yura no Sato. Ah, いいお湯でした。
炭酸ぐらい与えた。
見当たらなかった。あったの？見逃しちゃった。Home sweet home. He's taking a picture right now. 気持ちよかった。到着. Once you line up for Disneyland, you can't get out, so you want to buy everything beforehand. Biruk. Ah, いたいた。魔王にしますか。鶏肉か？好きなのにしていいよ。We're gonna get some food and something to drink.入るかな？入った入った。And finally, we're going to Disneyland. We're at Disneyland. I can't believe this. Okay, let me explain something. Apparently, the gateway to Disneyland opens around 1 a.m., but you never really know exactly what time. Let's see if the gateway is open tonight. And the reveal... Nope, it was still closed. As you can see, it is blocked with all the cones. The gateway is supposed to open at 1 a.m., but it's still not open yet. And there's a line of cars waiting for it to open. I didn't know that people wait in line right here before the park opens. I wonder when it's gonna open. Oh, 開きました。すごいね。東京ディズニーランド。And we are at Disneyland. I can't believe this. So we are currently in front of the gate. I'm really excited, but I'm so tired at the same time. It's currently 2:09 a.m. Now that we're in line, all we have to do now is wait. Apparently they're gonna wake us up around 4 to 5 a.m. So now, let's go to sleep. It's 4:45 a.m. It opened! They knocked on the window to wake us up.
ピングカーで大丈夫です。はい。はい。じゃあ3点ですね。2.8。はい。で、正面の立体駐車場のご案内になります。ハザードランプつけていただいて、正面右。
ドナルド行きますって言ってたよね。好きなところどこでもいいってことかな。行けそうだよ。うん、大丈夫大丈夫。うん。じゃあ右側にしましょう。You can see the park from here. And now that we're inside the parking lot, we're gonna sleep until the park opens. Good night. Good morning, guys. I'm all ready and set. This is a great place to do makeup and get ready. I can't believe we're at a parking lot at Disneyland. I'm literally watching people walking towards Disneyland while I'm drinking hot water. Okay, so now I'm gonna try making some breakfast. Wish me luck. The moment of truth. Let me turn it around. Okay. Oh my gosh, I think it's perfect. Hey, どうですか？
ぽいね。この車っぽいね。
ね。
どれから？これから？
うん。
いただきます。
いただきます。うん。うん。美味しい。Okay, nothing is going as planned. And like water is flooding everywhere. Oh no, we have a water leakage. This is a big problem. I guess like the water tank is kind of broken, so we couldn't really use the sink. I mean, it drains okay, but we can't fill it up. So I had to use like a cup to brush my teeth, and I had Yoshi hold a water bottle for me while I washed the dishes. Okay, I'm ready. I'm so blessed though. I'm so grateful for this experience. And look, there's so many cars now. Let's go! Are you guys excited? Because I am. Look at Disneyland Hotel. It's like right next to where we stayed. Today is such a nice day. いた。
こちらに止まってたのよ。
隣。 めっちゃかわいい。やばい。And guys, we are at Disneyland. We did it, guys. What a dream come true. お待たせ。It's a water bottle holder. Which one should I get? I think I'm gonna get Dumbo.
And finally, please have fun.
キャンパーに使うものなら何でもいいよ。
タオル、大きい方で。はい。
ちなみに私たちはファンタジアが大好きです。
はい。
Outfit of the day. これさ、こっちあるけどこっちないよね。これにする。これよくない？これいいね。爪切り欲しかったの。
チュロスって人間いくらまで出すと思う？
どういうこと？これもかわいい。おひなさま。
2400円お一括で承りました。レシートのお渡しです。
And we're finally going back to the camper van. Oh my gosh. We're home. Let me show you guys what we got for this van. We got a lot of stuff. So first, we got a tissue case. I think this tissue case is so interesting. Like, look, it has like little hands right here. I think you can make it hold the tissues. I don't know if this is gonna fit, but let's see. Oh, it does. So I think you could kind of like make it hold it like this. That's so cute. We're thinking of putting double-sided tape right here and tape it onto the table. That way it won't move. I think the color definitely matches the van. And next, we got a lot of towels. Like, a lot of towels. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're definitely gonna use a lot of towels in here. We're gonna need one for the kitchen, one for the sink, and we're gonna be using towels when we go take baths. I think it'll make the van super cute with all these Disney towels. Oh, I love the design. It's got like little cans. I mean, these are 100% cotton, which is definitely a huge plus. It's so colorful. Ooh, it's perfect for the table too. We've got a tape roller. Oh, I love this Winnie the Pooh design. Like, look at the handle. They're little honey jars. And next, we've got chopsticks and utensils. Winnie the Pooh, a very Japanese Minnie Mouse, and matching chopsticks. We also got Baymax utensils. I mean, since we're living in a Disney camping van, we want to use like Disney utensils, you know, to match the whole theme. You know, these are all things that we're definitely gonna use. Worth the money. Don't talk about money though. And next we got some plates. I mean, we had to get this one. Look, it's perfect for this van. Dreams on the go. Like seriously, it's perfect. And it's plastic, so it's not gonna break, which is a huge plus. I mean, things are gonna move around and break all the time, so we definitely need these plastic plates. This would have looked perfect with the pancakes I made yesterday, and the fork and the spoon. That's so perfect. And next, oh, I got a Minnie Mouse cup. We already have the Mickey Mouse version, so I wanted the Minnie Mouse version to match it up. It'll just be so cute with matching cups. And next we got a nail clipper. And again, it's Baymax. Is it only me? I always lose my nail clippers. I don't know, they just vanish. We're almost done. I got this for myself. There's little characters on the back. I like how the waist is very stretchy, so it looks very comfortable. I think we have one more item, and I got this power cable. It's a type C to C cable. Ooh, it stretches quite far. And guys, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my Patreons. I'll see you guys next video where I'll be moving into the van.